Okay, let's have a look at these products. Okay, so let's look at B. Okay, so I have 1 times -10. Let's first of all think about if I have products of things. So if I have a positive times a positive, okay, what it gives me is, right, a positive answer. If I have a negative times a negative, what it gives me is a positive answer. Okay, so if I have a positive times a negative, it will give me a negative answer. If I have a negative times a positive, it will give me a negative answer as well. Okay, so what I can actually determine from this is that if the signs are the same, I end up with a positive answer. Okay. If the signs are different, right, what I actually end up with is a negative answer. Okay, so all I need to simply do here is think, well, technically I have a positive times a negative, right, which will give me a negative answer. Okay, and then I just go 1 times 10, which will give me 10. So I break it down into, I determine the sign first, then I determine the numbers afterwards. So let's have a quick look here at how this works for F. Okay, -2 times -14. So again, I have, what I do is I determine my sign first. Negative times a negative will give me a positive answer. Okay, and then what I do is 2 times 14 to give me 28. So the answer is positive 28. Right? And what I can simply do though is I can just simply write this as equal to 28. Okay, and so I can go straight from there to there without having to show the second line here. Okay, so the key is just to think I have a negative times a positive to give a negative. I have a negative times a negative to give a positive answer. Okay, so I need to be thinking about that the fact is that these are the same sign and these are different signs. Okay, right, and in terms of that, that's what we need to think of and how we go about doing this.